Good evening, Aishwarya.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, children. Good evening, all of you. Please put on your videos.
Settings on करते हो.
Yes, nice to see all of you. Welcome back. Exams are over.
Yes, ma'am. Holidays.
Yes, ma'am. Today only.
Today only.
Ah, so I was looking for my best friends. मेरे best friends कहाँ गायब हो गए? I was looking into every classroom, going into every group and searching for you. Yes, really? Yes, Ritesh? Yes, Adrit? I was looking for you all. मेरे friends कहाँ गायब हो गए? And I'm so glad to see you back. Chalo, very nice. Okay. Yes, Aishwarya, you can. Okay. Charvik, please put on your video.
Actually, I can't because I have some.
Yes, Charvik, your volume is
I have
low.
some issue. I have some issue.
Please, you can write in your chat box.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good evening. Who is this? Good morning.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Who is this afternoon? Huh? Good evening to all. Okay. Yes, Charvik? Yes, tell me, Charvik, you're facing any problem in connecting? Okay, Ashwath is there. Welcome, Ashwath. Welcome back, Ashwath. Advika, welcome back. And we must welcome the new children also. Siddhant is there. Welcome, Siddhant.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. Welcome to the class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, welcome, Hamza. How are you? Please put on
Fine,
the
ma'am.
video. Please put on the video. Yes, your video is blurred. Just clean it.
Ma'am, it's sunlight.
It's sunlight is okay, but
Ma'am, it's evening.
blur. It's blurred. Welcome to the new children also. Hamza, nice to meet you. Siddhant, nice meeting you. Okay. अब आप सब बड़े हो गए हो. You all have grown up, come up to a big class, class 7. Is it? Yes, Ritesh, how are your exams?
Ma'am, good, ma'am.
Results are out?
No, ma'am, not yet.
Not yet. Rishit, what about you? Results?
Ma'am, only math results were revealed and I got full on full, ma'am.
Oh, great. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, tomorrow is my PTM.
Tomorrow is your PTM, so you'll get all marks tomorrow. Okay. You'll get good marks. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay? Yes, you'll get surely you'll get good. Yes, Adrit, got your marks?
Yeah, ma'am, actually I didn't got in every subject I got, but I got in maths.
Yeah, what is it?
I'm 45 by 50.
45 out of 50. Okay, that's also good. Very nice. Good. Okay, Siddhant, you got your previous class result?
Yes, ma'am. I got my final exam marks, ma'am. Every
Huh.
subject I got. Basically, science I got 76 out of 80, and maths a bit less, like 70 out of 80.
How much in maths? 70?
70 or 71.
70 or 71. Okay, okay. Never mind. This time we'll
Maths
do more
71.
practice. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
keep the temperament high up. Okay. This time we have to do even more better. Yes. Yes, Hamza. How was your previous class result? Yes, bache. How was the result? Previous class? What about maths?
I don't have PTM, but they'll give my marks on 1st April.
Okay. Okay, okay. No worries. You'll get good. Okay. If you have worked hard, you will surely get good marks. Okay. Aishwarya is there.
Yes, ma'am.
How was the result, Aishwarya?
Ma'am, I'll get them tomorrow.
Okay. Chalo, don't worry. Those who are getting them tomorrow, don't worry. Have a peaceful sleep tonight. Okay. You'll all get good marks. Okay, Charvik, how was your result?
Ma'am, same tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay. Uh, there's a new child, Gelda. Yes. Yes, Gelda. Hello.
Ma'am, I'm a new student.
Yes. Hello. Please put on your video, Gelda.
Okay.
Yes, put on your video, Bichi. Gelda, please put on your video. And tell us something about yourself. Hello. Yes, Gelda. Yes, we can see you. What's your name, Bache?
Ma'am, my name is Riyansh.
Riyansh.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, then why is it Gelda coming there?
My brother is also attending classes, and we don't want to get confused with our names, so we just put our last name.
Okay, okay, okay. So that's nice. Yes, Riyansh. So, Riyansh, you got your previous class result? Riyansh, you got your previous class result?
It didn't came yet.
Huh?
It didn't come yet.
It didn't come yet. Okay. So, share with me. Whenever you all will get your results, please share your maths marks with me. Okay?
Okay.
Right? You all are now my children. I need to take care of your maths. Okay? So, share with me. Don't hesitate. Okay. Now, who is left? Ashwat. I didn't speak to Ashwat. How are you, Ashwat?
Fine,
How are you?
ma'am. How are you? Fine, ma'am.
Got your result?
Ma'am, can yeah. Ma'am, I will get at 27th.
You will get on 27th. Okay. You still have time.
27th.
27th. Okay. 27th is just coming next week only. After Holi. Okay. Chalo.
Ma'am,
Let's
today what we'll do?
today what we should do?
Ma'am, only introduction.
Only introduction.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, and we'll end the class so fast because today is IPL.
Ma'am, which team are you supporting?
Yes.
Which
Ma'am, which
team
team
are you
are you
supporting?
supporting?
Pardon?
Ma'am, which team are you supporting? RCB or CSK?
This is your first class? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So, class 7 is nothing different. Okay. See what all concepts you have studied in your class 6, you will have you will go deeper into that. A step deeper. Okay. One step deep. Okay. Yes, Charvik, what are you typing?
I'm just typing what I say. Ma'am, RCB or CSK? CSK.
No, you have written some abbreviations here. Please, I am unable to understand the abbreviations. Please make it clear. Okay. That's one more child has joined. Manisha. Hello, good evening, Manisha.
Ma'am, is it Manisha, ma'am?
That's ma'am. How do you know?
Ma'am, she's our science.
Ma'am, she's a science teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
Manisha can be some other child's name also. It can be ma'am also. It can be some child also. Please put on your video, children, everyone. Even Manisha, either ma'am or child, please put on your video. Okay. So let's begin with class 7. भगवान का नाम लेके with the prayers जय श्री गणेशाय. Okay. Okay. अपने भगवान को याद करो. Remember your God before you begin with any good thing that you do. Okay. With the prayers, we'll start with class 7 maths. Okay.
Ma'am, I've mentioned it a chart.
Charvik, you please write in the chat box. I know
Ma'am, I already wrote it.
which team will you support? Which team? Here
RCB or CSK?
we don't have any teams here. Are we?
Ma'am, I mean in RCB or CSK?
Not able to make out. Chalo, anyways, okay. Now in this book, I'll just narrate the chapters once. Okay, I'll give you a brief introduction. First, I'll take the names of all the chapters that we have in this book, class 7. Although you will not remember all the names, but still you'll have an idea that what all we are going to study in this year. Okay, So beginning with first integers. You had integers in the previous class also. So you will go a step deeper into it. Okay, you just studied about integers. What are integers? And here in this now we will study about some more properties of integers, addition and subtraction of integers. Okay, such type of sums.
And
Right?
even associative property also.
Yes.
Even associative property also.
Charvik, you please write.
Ma'am, I mean even associative property.
Please write in the chat box.
Ma'am, but we learned addition and subtraction of integers in our 6th class.
We studied simple sums, we studied. So we will do slightly more. Okay? In that respect. We did. We'll do something more also. Okay.
Just basics only we started multiplication. Just only basics.
Yes. Who's this?
From Siddhant.
Yes, Siddharth. Yes, Vita. Please put on your video. Keep your video on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Then we have fractions, decimals. All you are aware of fractions and decimals, right?
Yes.
Then we have data handling, nothing different. You had studied about 3 types of graphs: pictograph, tally marks, bar graphs. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now we will have slightly one more step ahead. Okay. Then simple equations. Simple equation also you studied last year. Here also you have the same topic. Just a one step more.
Simple,
Lines and angles.
like what kind of equations? Like simple equations.
Simple equation means where we use variable, we have constants, coefficients. Okay.
Ma'am, you mean algebra?
Algebra.
Algebra.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's basically comes under algebra. Right? Like to find, suppose if we take some value as x, then we have to find the value of x.
Yes.
Right? Then we have lines and angles. In geometry, we have lines and angles. There in geometry, we studied about coordinate geometry, basic geometrical ideas.
Yes.
And here
Practical
we will
geometry.
have, practical geometry. Here we have about lines and angles. Okay.
Yes.
Like parallel lines, intersecting lines, these type of lines, and some angles what they are making. Okay. Then we have triangle and its properties. Congruence of triangles will be there. Comparing quantities is commercial mathematics. Okay. Profit, loss, percentage, such type of sums. Okay. Simple interest, compound interest, all that. Then you have rational numbers. Then you have practical geometry also. Then you have area and perimeter. Then you have algebraic expressions. Simple equations का ही एक advanced form है, that is algebraic expressions. Exponent and powers we have. Symmetry we have. Then we have visualizing solid shapes. Right? These are the topics that we are going to study. Are they any different from class 6? Not much. Not much.
Symmetry.
Symmetry? Okay.
Symmetry we have it in like 6th
We
class.
had, but it was actually not in the syllabus. The vision, this.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, like it was deleted.
But never mind, we'll try to do because some children have, some don't have. Okay, so as we did practical geometry, because some were saying we have it in the course and some were saying we don't have it in the course. But still we did.
Is the chapter after rational numbers?
What happened?
What is the chapter after rational numbers?
After rational numbers, we have practical geometry.
Ma'am, I don't have that.
You don't have that? Okay. So maybe with the new syllabus, maybe in new books, it's not there. Never mind, if you don't have that in your course, then not to worry. Okay?
Okay.
Right? Okay. So, the first thing that we'll start is chapter integers. Now you all know about integers. Integers क्या होते हैं? Okay, let me ask now somebody. Siddhant will tell me. Siddhant, what are integers? Do you have any idea?
Yes, ma'am. From the combination of negative numbers and whole numbers and with zero and is called Integers.
Very nice, absolutely right. Okay, so that means the combination of numbers, negative numbers, positive numbers, and zero, all that make integers,
Yes.
right? Natural numbers we had studied, which consisted from numbers 1 onwards, 1, 2, 3 onwards. Whole numbers, which included 0 also, and then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Now we have integers. Integers is all negatives, 0 in the middle, and all positives on the other side. So on the right side of the 0, we have all positive integers. On the left side of 0, we have all negative integers, as you have seen number line. Number line yaad hai?
Yes, ma'am.
We all know about number line. Number line, how it's placed,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Okay. And then I'm not doing anything now. We are just talking about integers. Okay. Or you want me to show you on paper or anything? Is that?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So on the left side, on the right side of the number line, we had all positive integers. Now, when I say I want to add something to a number, then which side we move to? Reyansh will tell me. Yes, Reyansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Reyansh, if I have to add some number, one integer to another integer, then on which side will I move to on the number line?
Right side.
Right side, absolutely. And if I have to subtract some integer from some other integer?
Left side.
Left side, absolutely right. Okay. Hamza will tell me now. Hamza,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me, if I add 0 to any integer, what will the answer be?
The answer will be positive.
What will
Answer
the
will
answer
be positive.
It will be positive. If I add some negative number to 0, then what will it be?
Negative.
Adding any number with 0, what will you get the answer when you add any number with 0?
0.
No, 0, no.
It does not do
No,
anything.
no. Who is disturbing you, Hamza?
My brother.
Tell him not to do that. Your class is going on. Wait, tell him not to do. Hamza, stop him from doing that.
I messed up.
Okay. Yes, Rishit, tell me, when I add 0 to any integer, then what do I get?
Ma'am, the number itself.
The number itself, we get the number. 0 adding with any number is you get the number itself.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Adrit, you tell me, if I subtract anything from 0, then what do I get?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
If I subtract any number from 0, then what do I get?
Ma'am, the number, ma'am, the subtractive number.
The subtracted number. Okay. If I subtract 2 from 0, then what will I get? Which side? Just imagine number line in your mind, or we'll make it on a paper. Imagine, or make it on your notebook. Make a number line, move 2 steps back. When you are subtracting, you move towards left, no? So take 2 steps towards left. You can write your answer in the chat box, children. Those who have raised
Ma'am,
their hand.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question again?
I'm saying if you subtract 2 from 0, what will you get? You can check out on the number line. Make a number line in the notebook and take 2 steps towards left. Where do you reach? Who's saying the number itself?
Ma'am, actually, I typed it previously, so when I tried it to, when I
Okay.
clicked backspace, so it came.
Okay. So that's -2. Okay. I'll show you. Okay, let me share the screen. I'm sharing the screen now. Okay. Okay. Okay, see, can you all see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, put your hands down, Advika, Charvi, then put your hands down. Now see, this is the number line, okay? You all know the number line numbers are positive on the right side.
Right side and negative
Okay.
on the left.
This is right side, all numbers are positive. And on the left side, we have all numbers negative. Okay. Children, we have not started the chapter yet. I'm just giving you the introduction. Maybe we'll start from tomorrow. Today is just the introduction part. Okay. So that those who are new, they can also, it will be a revision for you, and on a in continuity, then we'll move on to the come to the new chapter. Okay. So I was saying 0 minus 2. When you subtract any integer from 0, what do you get? So you don't get the same number. Okay. Those who are writing number itself, it's not the same. Okay. Because the direction is also changing here. So when you go 2 steps back, when we are subtracting something, we go 2 steps back. So that means you have reached that minus 2. When you add something with 0, then what do you get? You get the same number. Adding anything with 0, you get same number. Because 0, then you start 4 steps ahead, you reach at 4. Okay. Similarly now, if I say, all of you please make number line in your notebook. I'll give you some very basic sums on the number line. Everyone please make number line in your notebook, and please keep doing it in the notebook, because anytime I can ask you to show me your notebook in front of the camera. Okay? Right?
Yes, but today I have sheets, A4 sheets. From next class, I will get a notebook, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Okay? So even the children who have newly joined, they should also keep writing. Okay? Don't say, ma'am, we have not written. You have to write, because anytime I can ask you to show me your notebook on the camera. Okay, and keep making your notes. Now, if I say 1 plus, 1 plus 5. This is so simple. On the number line, on 1 plus 5 means starting from 1, taking 5 plus 5 steps towards right. Okay. Minus 4 plus 6 minus 3 plus 2. Okay, don't get into this. Okay. Okay, now Rishit will tell me. Rishit, tell me first one. 1 plus 5. Yes, Rishit?
6.
6. So simple. Tritej, tell me minus 4 plus 6. You can do it on the number line. See, purpose of making number line was that only.
Ma'am, I'm still doing it. Okay.
Yes. So that means if it is plus, you have to move towards right side. For plus, whenever you are given something to add, you have to move towards right side. And when you are asked to subtract, that means you will move towards the left side. Yes, Siddharth, you're asking?
No, I want to answer that.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you see my screen?
yes, Ritesh, that's nice. What is it? Where
Ma'am,
have you
it's
reached?
ma'am, it's -4 + 6.
-4 + 6. What is the answer?
2.
2. Very nice. Okay, Siddharth, tell me this. -3 + 2?
No, -1.
-1. Great. Okay, so that means when you are adding something, so you have to just move 2 steps towards right. How much you are adding, that many steps you have to move towards right. That means like this, you reach that -1. Okay. Now, Hamza will tell me. Hamza,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, beta, tell me this. -4 + 1. Do it on the number line and tell me.
Ma'am, -3.
-3. Very good. So, starting from -1, taking one step towards right. So, you reach that -3. Good. Okay, Aishwarya, you tell me now. -2, -1.
Mom, the answer is -3.
Yes?
Mom, the answer is -3.
-3. Great. Okay, Riyansh, tell me this one. -4, -4.
What? Oh yeah, -4 is equal to 0. Wait, not 0, 8.
8?
-8, yeah, -8.
-8. है ना? So that means you are moving 4 steps towards left side. So when we go 4 steps, like 1 step, then 2 steps, then 3 steps, then 4 steps. That means this was -4, here -5, then -6, -7, then -8. So we have reached that -8. Yes? Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, this one more, 3 - 1. Who will tell this? Yes, Adrit didn't get the turn. Adrit, you tell me.
Ma'am, 2.
2. Right. Okay. Okay. So this was all you had studied last year, है ना? So that's nothing different. Okay. When you have studied everything clearly last year, that means this year you will not face any problem. Okay, everything will be easy. We will learn about, you had studied about addition and subtraction. Then now we will be doing multiplication division also. Okay, just a step more. Okay, then what else did you study in your previous class? About integers? You studied about the sign rules.
Ma'am, additive inverse.
Yes, additive inverse. You read
Ma'am,
you
sign rules
studied
like
sign
Plus into
rules.
plus equals plus, minus into
Minus
minus,
into
Minus into
plus.
minus
minus into
equals
plus equals
plus.
minus.
Ma'am, plus into plus equals plus. Minus into plus equals
Minus
minus.
into plus is minus.
Then
Okay, now see, look here. This is just we are revising. When you have two same signs, plus, plus, then what do? Plus. When you have same signs, you do plus. Right? Minus into minus becomes plus, plus
yes,
into plus becomes plus. So you do minus. When you have different signs, 1 plus, 1 negative, 1 negative, 1 plus, then you do subtraction. Got it?
yes, ma'am.
Everyone knows this. Please make a
Yes.
note of it. Write it in your notebooks because these are very, very important things. Okay?
Ma'am, actually, I have a class, so can I leave?
Who has a class?
Adrit.
Adrit, which class do you have?
Ma'am, dance.
Dance class. Okay. Okay, beta, you tell me. Okay. Right? So these are some rules that you need to remember. Okay, now suppose if I give you any number -2 plus minus of 5. How will you do this? Now here we have two signs together. So what do we
Lesson
do in
minute.
this case?
Ma'am,
Let me just revise with you. We make these two signs to one sign. Is it? We make this two signs. We drop down -2 as it is. We make these two signs to 1. So 1 is plus, then minus. Plus into minus will be this sign group -5. Like this. Now you have -2 -5. -2 -5 means subtracting 5 from -2. You can check on the number line. Where will you reach? At -7. Okay? Right? Understood? Okay, now I'll give you one more. -4 -6. Please do this. Everyone, please do.
Mom, I got the answer.
Yes.
It's 2.
2.
Plus.
Yes. So minus and minus are together. So this becomes plus. So 6 -4 you get +2. Okay. So what do you do in this case? You have one number. See, when you got -4 plus 6, then you have one negative sign, one positive. That means the operation that you will do in between them is subtraction. Okay. So 6 -4 is 2. And you keep the sign of the bigger number. Okay. Okay. I'll give you some more sums. Okay, now do this. Do this.
No, -11.
Yes, do it. I'll ask each one of you. Yes, Aishwarya, you tell me this. -3, -8.
Ma'am, the answer is -11.
-11, very nice. Riyansh, you tell me this. -2 plus -2.
I'm wait. Wait. -2 plus -2, right? -2, right?
So you make these two signs to one side. This becomes negative, then 2. Then what do you get?
0.
No.
2 minus 0,
-2
0.
-2.
2 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 2 is 4, -4.
-2, then 2 steps towards left. 1 step, then another step. So where have you reached? -3,
-4.
Okay. Okay, minus. Now I'll ask somebody. Okay, Hamza will tell me now. Hamza,
Ma'am, can I?
-1 second, Switish. Now let me ask Hamza first, then I'll ask you. Yes, Hamza. -5
-5 plus 10.
Then what do you get?
5.
5. Very nice. Yes, Ritesh. Now tell me this.
Ma'am, it's -18.
-18. Very good. Okay. Let me ask somebody. Okay, Siddharth, you tell me.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, what?
the answer is 14.
Answer is 14. Great. Okay. So because these two signs become plus. So 4 plus 10 becomes 14. Right. Okay. And what else? What more did you study in your previous class?
Only basics.
Modulus.
Huh?
Modulus.
Modulus. Was that in this chapter? No.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay.
here
Ma'am, modulus it turns any number into positive number.
Modulus is some magic sticks. You know, whatever number goes into that comes out positive only. Is that?
Yes,
Some magic sticks are there. कोई भी चीज उसके अंदर घुसती है, it comes out positive. right? So if I put -2 inside this, if -2 goes inside this will come out +2.
Ma'am, additive inverse.
And we studied additive inverse also. What is additive inverse? Sritej, can you tell me what is additive inverse?
Ma'am, additive inverse is like the change of the sign.
Change of the
Sign.
sign. Okay, yes, that's correct. So that means what is the additive inverse of -2?
+2.
+2. That means when you add something, the inverse of the number, when you add it, you get 0. Okay? The number that you add to any number and you get the answer 0. So that number is additive inverse. So +2 is additive inverse of -2 and -2 is additive inverse of +2. Okay. What else? Multiplicative inverse also you remember? Multiplicative identity. Is that? Was that there? Hello? Hello? Can you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Was multiplicative inverse? No. No.
No.
You just had an additive inverse only.
Only additive inverse.
Only additive inverse. Okay. So additive inverse of any number is always positive number. Okay, it's always positive. Okay, what is the additive inverse of 0?
0 itself.
0 itself. So children, this was
And 0 is neither positive nor negative.
0 is neither positive nor negative.
Yes.
हाँ इसीलिए तो उसको बीच में बिठाते हैं ना नंबर लाइन में सबसे सेंटर में. Is it? सबसे बीच में बैठा होता है 0.
It's like
Just like
ground floor.
just like ground floor.
All the floors are there,
Basement
and
level
below
is minus.
basement 1, basement 2.
Absolutely right. Good example.